Hi, Wesley with Expandacraft again. I want to show you, and this is an old version, something I have changed around many different times, and I'm kind of getting back to something I did some time ago. This has no floor here, so that I can step in from the side at the beach. I can step in, no wobbling around, sit down, and I can literally push off and go backwards. I'm using today, and this is kind of the newest thing, I'm using a water snake 18-pound thrust 12-volt motor. Now, we tested this the other day on this machine. It's a 16 feet 9-inch long Expandacraft. Nice little footrest, so when you are underway. And I'm 6'2", plenty enough room for me. This motor did a really good job, and I set it in the front on reason, for a good reason. In the back, I typically use a rudder, which I can steer with my hand or even my foot, so that I can paddle and have a little assistance. Because this particular motor has two settings. It's got forward and reverse, but it has high and low range, so that if you choose to go faster or just use the motor alone, it'll take you quite nicely. The only thing is I got this battery, amped outdoors, 30 amp hour. Now, it came to me fully charged. I put my meter on it and it said it was fully charged, but it only lasted a couple of miles or so, maybe 2.5 miles. I have not charged it yet because it takes a special charger for lithium-ion batteries. It's very light, and it fits either here or back. It's a little different. You have to get these routed a little farther. I haven't done that quite yet, but very happy with the water snake, and jury is still out on this battery. If when I get the charger and charge it up, it lasts longer than it did on this first trial, then good. It's a good combination because it's very light. This water snake is also very light. I like having it in the front with a rudder in the back, because you get so much better steering with a rudder than you do steering with thrust. It's just so much less input to steer with a rudder. So anyway, those are my thoughts about the water snake 18-pound thrust and the amped outdoor battery for 30 amp hour. Still out on this one. Love this. It's great. It's very simple, very durable, and these are very inexpensive. Very inexpensive. So I kind of like that too. And for my rental fleet, that's the way I'd go. Well, anyway, expandacraft.com. Check us out.